Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we'll learn how to add titles on Filmora Software. First, we need to add any media on timeline, photo or video. Then, go to Titles up here. There are many free and premium titles you can use. On the left corner you can see title categories, like Trending, Plain Text, 3D Titles, Lower Thirds and so more. Now, we would choose one title text as simple, and edit it. Let's choose this one. As you see, this title is not downloaded, so you have to click the download button to get it. Drag it to the timeline or click plus button to add to timeline. This is default length of the title. You can drag it to expand to make it last longer or shorter. As you see now, the text appears late than its default time. Let's add one more media to look it better. To edit the text, click the title and you see now the properties of the text. You can edit from the workspace on the left or simply on the video. After you edited the text, click OK, and let's see it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.